In 1964, a 17-year-old boy decided to stay awake for a science experiment. He stayed awake for 11 days. What happened to his brain shocked everyone. His name was Randy Gardner, and he wanted to break the world record for sleep deprivation. At first, everything seemed normal. Day 1, he was tired. Day 2, his eyes hurt. Day 3, things started to change. By day 4, Randy started hallucinating. He thought he was a famous football player. He couldn't remember simple things. By day 5, he became paranoid. He thought people were trying to hurt him. The world was becoming a frightening place. By day 6, he couldn't focus, couldn't think properly, and his speech slowed. His brain was struggling to maintain basic functions. By day 8, he started seeing things that weren't there. His brain was starting to fail. But here's the strange part. He didn't feel like he was going crazy. He just felt tired. Your brain can't tell when it's shutting down. Scientists discovered something terrifying. When you don't sleep, your brain starts entering dream mode while you're still awake. So when Randy saw things that weren't there, he was literally dreaming while awake. After 11 days, he finally slept. Scientists expected brain damage, but after a few days of sleep, he recovered. Mostly, this experiment changed science forever. It proved that sleep is not just for rest. Sleep is when your brain repairs itself, stores memories, and resets emotions. It also removes toxins. Without sleep, your brain slowly stops working. If you think staying up all night is harmless, remember this. After a few days without sleep, your brain can't tell the difference between reality and dreams. Sleep isn't just rest. Sleep is survival.